Okay, so I was in the middle of decapping some 357 and 38 special that I went to the range and unloaded today. And this is my tray of 38 special here. Now these were wad cutters, and I loaded these, fairly on the top end. But if you notice on this one right here, see if I can get a pointer. Point instead of using my finger. So if you notice on this one right here, it's cracked. All the way up and down. It's and I noticed I had some extracting a little tough today, and I just thought maybe the pistol was getting a little hot. But yeah, we had a case rupture there, and it happens. It happens. Now I didn't catch that till after I deprimed it, so there's no way for us to look at that primer. I was shooting 357 cases, and these. This is new 357. This is a TNQ. So if you look, I know it's kind of hard, but that's, it's starting to maybe a little flatten out. Just right in here. But no heavy signs of pressure. Of course, there's a whole lot more case to a 357 mag than a 38 special. So we can see the difference in capacity there. So that wad cutter is not going to be as pushed into the powder. But if we look at this one, now this was some old factory ammo that I shot today, and you can see that that primer looks good. If anything, it's probably under pressure, or about where it should be. And this was shot out of a 357 mag, so that bullet had a lot of jump to it. So the pressure probably wasn't quite as high on this. But if we go and we look at these two, these were two reloads in the 38 case with the wad cutters. You can see where that primer's flattened out. So that's a good flat spot. I can run this swab right across it. And right there too. So big difference. Here's the mag. And here's the factory. So you can see the difference from here to here. This is flattened out. Now, have I flattened them out more than that? Yeah, I probably have. Right there, I don't want to go any higher than this. If anything, I probably want to drop this load down when it comes to the 38 special case. The mag case, shoot, I might bump that baby up. I'm not sure yet. I'm probably going to reload these exact same way, except I'm probably going to take and chrono them and see how they're doing. But yeah, that's pushing the pressure limits. So you start pushing those pressure limits, you're going to get a crack case. Where's that case at? There it is. That's what's going to happen. Now, in a revolver, that's a lot of pressure. You can still have a catastrophic failure. In an auto, semi-automatic, handgun, that's going to cause you some problems. It could get stuck in the barrel. You could have serious consequences. Even more so in a semi-automatic. So watch those pressures. Another good reason to inspect your brass. I should have been a little bit more diligent when I was shooting it. I hadn't been shooting a long time. I was kind of happy. I was blowing through them. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe I was using a long shot to load these. I have to get my book up and go back and see. Keep a book on what you load. If you have a different load, segregate that ammo. Very important. Pressures make a difference. And I believe I'm pushing the limit on these, and that's what we don't want to do. You want to have a fun, safe time. Anyway, I thought I'd throw that short little bleep in there. Guess I'm not sure what I'll title this. Maybe pressure or signs of pressure. But you get a split case, That's not a sign of pressure. That is pressure. That's overpressure. You know, that is overpressure. What you don't want. Federal case. They make good cases. So, anyway, hope this helped. Like, subscribe, and share it. Let's get some more subscribers out, and let me know what you want to see. Have a good one.